Good morning, class 5th students. Yesterday we were doing exercise first C of chapter 1. We have done question 1 and 2 of this exercise. Now we will start from question 3rd. The third question of your exercise is true or false. You are doing also in this question in your fair notebook. I will tell you here, true or false. The third question of this, true or false. The question number A, 81 centimeter equals to 8 meter 1 centimeter. Is this statement true or false? We know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter equals to 800 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So this is 801 centimeter and this is 81 centimeter. So that's not these are not equal. So this statement is false. Question number B, 3 centimeter 8 millimeter equals to 38 millimeter. We know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 3 centimeter equals to 3 multiplied by 10, 30 centimeter, and plus 8 millimeter, 30 millimeter, and plus 8 millimeter. So this is 38 millimeter and equals 38 millimeter. So this statement is true. So we will write here TRUE, true. Question number C, 9 kilometer 250 meter equals to 9250 meter. We know that 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer equals to 9000 meter plus 250 meter. So this is 9250 meter and equals to 9250 meter. So this statement is true. So we will write here true. Now question number D, 49 kilograms 52 grams equals to 4952 grams. We know that 1 kilograms equals to 1000 grams. So 49 kilograms equals to 49,000 grams and plus 52 grams. So this is 49,052 grams equals to 4,952 grams is not equals. So this statement is false. So we will write here false. Question number E, 8763 milliliter equals to 8 liter 763 milliliter. We know that when we convert milliliter into liter, we will divide it by 1000. So 8763 milliliter equals to 8 liter 763 milliliter. This statement is true. So we will write here true. Question number F, 19 liter 234 milliliter equals to 19,234 milliliters. This statement is true because 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So 19 liter equals to 19,000 milliliters and plus 234 milliliters. So this is 19,234 milliliters equals to this. So this statement is true. Now question number G, 2008 was a leap year. When we find out a year, it was a leap year or not, we will divide it number of year by 4. It will be divisible by 4. So it was leap year, but the remainder is left. So it not will be leap year. So when we divided 4 divided by 2008, it will be divided by 4 completely. So this was a leap year. 2008 was a leap year. So this statement is true. Now question number H, 2005 was a leap year. When we divided 2005 by 4, it will be the it will left the remainder. So 2005 was not a leap year, so this statement is false. So we will write here FALSE, false. This question you will do your notebook. The next question is do these sums. The question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are given here, and we will doing sum. The fourth question of and a part of fourth question is 4 centimeter 1 millimeter plus 15 centimeter 2 millimeter plus 26 centimeter 3 millimeters. We will add all these units. Here are given in horizontal form. We will write in your notebook. We will write our notebook in vertical column. So question 4 we will see in notebook. Question number 4 is here. Do these sums. A question of fourth, 4 centimeter 1 millimeter plus 15 centimeter 2 millimeter plus 26 centimeter 3 millimeter. We will write here the separate column centimeter and millimeter. We will write one side is centimeter and other side is millimeter, right side. So first number is 4 centimeter 1 millimeter. So we will write here 4 after the centimeter and 1 after the millimeter. The second one 15 centimeter 2 millimeter. Same as 15 we will write here under centimeter and 2 under millimeter. Now the third one 26 centimeter 3 millimeter. We will write here 26 under centimeter and the 3 under millimeter, and we will add. One and 2 3, 3 and 3 6, 4 5 9, 9 and 6 15, 5 carry 1, 2 or 2 4. So here are the answer 45 centimeter 6 millimeter. All questions we will doing add. So B and C of question number 4 you will do yourself in your notebook. Now I will tell you question number D. Question number D is 123 meter 14 centimeter plus 68 meter 8 centimeter plus 329 meter. We will do this question in notebook. So same as we will separate meter and centimeter column. We will write here left side meter and the right side centimeter. 123 meter. So we will write here 123 under the meter, and centimeter is equals to 14. So we will write here 14 under the centimeter. Next 68 meter 8 centimeter, same as we will write here, and next 329 meter. So we will write here 329 under the meter, and centimeter is not, so we will put here 0 under centimeter. Now we will add. When we add, it will be 520 meter 22 centimeter. Now we will do question number 5. The question number 5 is A. The A part of question number 5, 25 kilogram plus 75 kilogram 250 gram plus 375 gram. Here are given 3 numbers and the unit 2 units, kg and gram. So we will separate kg and gram column. We will see in notebook. Question number 5A. We will write here kg in left side and right side we will write here gram. So 25 kilogram, first number 25 kilogram. So we will write here 25 under the kilogram, and gram is not, so we will put 0 under the gram. The next 75 kilogram, 250 gram, we will write here 75 under the kilogram and 250 under the gram column. And the next one 375 gram, this is only gram, so we will write here 375 under the gram, and kilogram is not, so we will put here 0. When we add, the answer will be 100 kilogram 625 gram. And the question number B and C you will do yourself, same as question A. Now we will do question number 6. The question number 6 is, A part of question number 6 is 5 centimeter 9 millimeter minus 1 centimeter 7 millimeter. Here we will minus. So we will do this question in notebook. Same as we will write here 2 column in centimeter and millimeter. We will separate here centimeter and millimeter. 5 centimeter 9 millimeter. We will write here 5 under the centimeter and 9 under the millimeter. Next one, we will subtract 1 centimeter 7 millimeter. So we will write here 1 under centimeter and 7 under millimeter. Now we will subtract. When we subtract, it will be 4 centimeter 2 millimeter will be answer. Now question number B, 8 meter minus 7 meter 65 centimeter. So we will separate meter and centimeter. So 8 meter, 8 we will write here under meter, and centimeter is not, so we will put here 0 under the centimeter, and subtract 7 we will write here under meter and 65 under the centimeter. Now we will subtract. When we subtract, it will be 35 centimeter only. Now you will do question number C, question number D and question number E. Do yourself. Thank you.